Tired of your phone dying? Today we're reviewing the Anker PowerCore 20000 mAh, your ultimate solution for keeping all your devices charged on the go. This beast packs a massive 20,000 mAh, meaning you can charge an iPhone over 6 times or even fully power up a tablet multiple times before needing a recharge. Imagine days without worrying about finding an outlet, perfect for travel, festivals, or just busy everyday life. What truly sets this power bank apart is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology. It intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge without ever overcharging. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can easily charge 2 devices simultaneously, like your phone and a friend's or your phone and headphones. This isn't just any portable charger. It's a smart, high-capacity companion built for maximum convenience and reliability, truly an essential electronic. If you're looking to buy the best portable charger available right now, check out the link in the description below to grab your own Anker PowerCore 20000 mAh on Amazon. Investing in this Anker power bank means saying goodbye to battery anxiety forever. For anyone serious about staying powered up, the Anker PowerCore 20000 mAh is an absolute must-have in 2025.